I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm here with a patient who suffered with facet joint pain. Facet joint pain is the second most common cause of back pain. It also happens in the neck, and it's the second most common cause of neck pain. The first cause of back and neck pain is a herniated disc, but patients with herniated disc frequently have injuries to their facet joints next to the disc. This patient underwent the Deuk plasma rhizotomy about 3 weeks ago for facet joint pain. And how are you feeling today?
I feel great. I can have much more better range of motion. My inflammation is gone. The pain, tenderness is gone. I feel like I have my life back.
A lot of patients end up getting something called a radiofrequency ablation, or RFA. The problem with that procedure is that the doctor navigates the needle tip to a certain spot, but if the nerve that's causing pain isn't where the needle tip ends up, then the patients aren't going to get very good relief. And the problem with RFA, you hear it all the time, is that the pain always comes back. Usually within a few weeks or a few months. But the Deuk plasma rhizotomy is a completely different technique. We're able to move around the spine where the nerve is and make sure we get all the areas that the nerve could be and deaden those nerves. So that pain is gone now, the sharp pain?
It's completely gone. Yep.
Congratulations.
And prior to the procedure, I could only walk maybe 20, maybe 30 minutes before I'd have to sit down and take a break. Now I can be on my feet for a couple hours and I don't have any pain at all.
You also mentioned that you've lost some weight as a result of getting your back fixed.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about that.
Well, since the procedure, within 2 weeks of the procedure, I lost 20 pounds almost immediately.
Just by being more active?
Being more active. I believe my body was probably also very inflamed,
mm-hmm.
Holding on to a lot of water weight and a lot of, inflammation. So my muscles were able to relax and, as far as I can tell, release all of that inflammation in the body.
Well,
so,
congratulations.
Yeah, it's been a great procedure.
Anything else you want to say to your audience?
Anybody who has back pain, I know of other people, friends and family who have had back pain and they've gone to other providers and haven't had good results or worsened the problem that they had. I myself went to a different doctor before I came here. I left their office for various reasons and found this place actually through one of my coworkers. I'm glad that I came here because ever since I came here, I've done nothing but get better.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's going to be a great year for you, 2023.
Yeah, hope so.
All right,
Thanks
for sharing your story.
You're welcome.